I've just really been impressed with the level of training, the professionalism of the instructors, and the content that's been delivered.
Today we did injectables. The class was amazing. It was given by one of the doctors who has a lot of knowledge, a lot of experience, and he had assisted me actually doing my first injectable on the patient. I was very, very nervous, but once he was there and he made me feel very comfortable, he assisted me through the whole procedure.
As a physician, we're always looking for different things that we can do for our patients and add to the patient treatment armamentarium we have, but beyond that, to always increase the revenue of our practice, which nowadays is a very difficult thing, especially as a primary care physician. So anything that I can do that's both good for my patients and good for my practice is a win-win, and I find this program to be a total win-win.
For the past year, I've been taking courses in aesthetics and chronic pain, both of which I think are important for my future practice model. And I feel like I've received a really good experience here with good didactics and hands-on training.
This is the third class I've taken with Empire Medical Training, and it has been hands down the best course I have ever attended. The quality of the course materials are superior to anything I had ever seen before.
The hands-on training was incredible. I've never been to a course like this before. For the actual clinical portion of the training, they divided us up into small groups, and we each had our own instructor. The instructor would demonstrate a technique, and then each of the students would perform the technique, and the instructor would watch us to make sure that we were doing it correctly.
Pain management course, it was very good instructors. It was knowledgeable, answered all the questions.
I chose Empire Medical Training mainly because of their experience and their complete curriculum-style education. For aesthetics, which is what I was interested in learning, they don't just have 1 or 2 classes like I see a lot of other companies offering in Botox. They have, I think, around 19 or so different aesthetic courses you can take.
So with each lecture, I found I was learning quite a lot of material that was very useful for my practice and for helping patients achieve better health care. The quality of the instruction was excellent, and the hands-on has been a really good experience as well.
My experience with Empire has been really good. I'm a member of the pain show program where I'll get all the pain classes in. I've enjoyed this so much, I'm actually going to have my wife enroll for the aesthetic training.
I've been a member of Empire, a Diamond member of Empire now for about 2 months. This is my second course that I've taken. First one was on aesthetics and hormones, and this one is a very exciting one on joint injections, spinal injections, and thoroughly enjoying it. In my opinion, Empire has done a wonderful job putting these courses together, and highly recommend it to anybody. I look forward to more courses in the future and continue learning, so I love it.
The first course I went to was the Complete Botox and Dermal Filling Intensive class. I came in needing to know everything from the ground up, but by the end of the day, I had already injected 5 patients, and I felt completely confident with all the techniques.
This past weekend, I was here for Your Aesthetic Weekend program that they offer. And I learned just about everything in aesthetics, from Botox to dermal fillers. We learned sclerotherapy and PRP. It was pretty intensive weekend training, but I was able to get everything done at one time.
Coming here was I'm very satisfied, very happy. The doctors here are unbelievable. I would say between their knowledge and their experience, the whole anatomy, it was amazing. Then we were able to do the same day, the same class, hands-on training. I would say 1-to-1, and the doctors on the side, basically applying what we did in the lectures.
I would say for anyone getting into aesthetics, to take this program, because you'll learn the most amount of information in a relatively short period of time, and also have enough time to practice everything you learn.
The courses are very comprehensive. I would recommend it for any physician or healthcare provider. During the day, there's didactic lectures that completely educate you on what you need to know. And in the afternoon, there's hands-on training, which is very valuable at this course. Other additional courses that are offered that I'm interested in taking would be the PRP course and the anti-aging courses as well. I would definitely recommend this course to any physician or healthcare practitioner that would be interested in learning about these topics.
My name is Linda Poole. I'm a nurse practitioner, and this is my first time here. It's been an awesome experience, tons of knowledge, evidence-based, practical experience, caveats in testimony. I mean, what more could you want?